This video is made for class 9 on chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes, and today we are going to do exercise 13.8. Now this exercise is basically related with the volume of sphere and hemisphere. So concentrate here. For the volume of sphere, formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and if I want to find out the volume of hemisphere, it will become 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So let's begin with question number 1. Here you need to find out the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeters and 0.63 centimeters. Now we just need radius here in this sphere. The formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. You get your answer as 4312 upon 3 centimeters cube, or we can also write it as 14371 by 3 centimeters cube. In the next case, you have a radius of 0.63 meters. Now here's 0.63, I have removed decimal. I have taken as 63 upon 100 as radius. So using the formula, I got my answer as 1.05 meter cube approximately. Question number 2. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeters. Now diameter is given to you 28, so radius comes out to be 14. So volume of sphere will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Just put it into the formula. You get your answer as 34496 upon 3 centimeters cube, or you can convert it into mixed fractions. In the next case, you have a diameter of 0.21 meters. Converted into the radius, it will come as 21 upon 200. So it will be, volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Just solve it. If everything gets cancelled over here, you get your answer as 0.004851 meter cube. The calculations are tough. Please do it properly and try to see if you have zeros in the denominator. Do not cut it, because it will be helpful in put the decimal. So try to keep the zeros at it is and multiply it in the numerator, so that easily count the number of zeros and put the decimal over there. Then your calculations will be much easier. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeters. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 grams per centimeter cube? Diameter is given 4.2, so radius is 2.1. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Solve it. You get your answer as 38.808 centimeters cube. Now you are told that for 1 centimeter cube, the density of metal is 8.9 grams. The mass is given to you. So for 38.808 centimeters cube, it will be 8.9 into 38.808, which is equal to 345.3912 grams. Question number 4. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Now let's assume diameter of the earth has 2r, so radius will be r. So diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the earth. So 1/4 into 2r. So radius will be 1 upon 4r. Let's find out the volume of earth. It will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. It will remain as it is because radius is r only. Now let's find out the volume of moon. In the case of moon, radius is 1 upon 4 r, or we can write it as r upon 4. When you solve this, you get pi r cube upon 48. We need to find out the ratio of volume of earth upon volume of moon. Let us put it in that way. It will give us 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon pi r cube upon 48. You need to arrange your numerator and denominator. You will get your answer as 16 upon 1. So we need to find out the fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon. So volume of moon is of the 1 upon 64th volume of the earth. Question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? Now you have a bowl which is in a shape of a hemisphere. The volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, that is half of the sphere. So diameter is given to you as 10.5, so radius is 5.25 centimeters. Put it into the formula of 2 upon 3 pi r cube, you get your answer as 303.1875 centimeters cube. Now you need to find your answers in liters. So please remember 1000 centimeters cube is equal to 1 liter. So for 303.1875 centimeter cube will be equal to 0.303 liters approximately. Question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So that means thickness is given to you as 1 centimeter. Inner radius is 1 meter. So if we add thickness in the inner radius, we will get the outer radius. So now thickness is given in centimeters. You need to convert it into meters. It will come as 0.01 meter. So outer radius will become 1.01 meters. We need to find out the volume. So volume formula is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now the iron, we need to find out for the iron used. So iron will be used. What we have to do? We will be subtracting outer volume and the inner volume to get the volume of iron to be used. Now formula is same, 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now for outer volume we will be using the outer radius, and for the inner volume we will be using the inner radius. So 2 upon 3 pi, in the bracket we can take it as outer radius cube minus inner radius cube. So outer radius is given to us as 1.01 cube minus small radius is 1 cube. When we use this, we get answer as 0.06348 meter cubes approximately, or we can also write the volume of iron to be used is 0.06 meter cube. Question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Now we should know the formula for surface area, that is 4 pi r square. It is already given to you as 154. So from the formula we can find out r or radius, that comes out to be 7 by 2. Now volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So here we will take radius as 7 upon 2. On solving this, we get answer 539 upon 3. So we can write required volume of the sphere is 539 upon 3 centimeters cube, or 179 2 by 3 centimeters cube. Question number 8. A dome of a building is in a form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome. So what we are going to do is, for the total cost, we will divide it by per cost. We will come to know the area, that comes to 498.96 divided by 2. You will find the area of the inner dome, that is 249.48 meters square. You also need to find out the volume of the air inside. For that, we must find out the radius. Let the radius of the hemispherical dome be r. So CSA of the inner side of the dome is equal to 249.48 meter square. What is CSA? 2 pi r square equal to 249.48. From that we can find out r, that comes out to be 6.3. Now we need to find out the volume of the air inside. That means it will be the formula 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now what is the radius we are going to use? Radius will be 6.3. So when we solve this, we get 523.9 meters cube approximately. That will be the volume of the air that is inside the dome. Question number 9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere and the ratio of s and s dash. Now volume of solid sphere, we know it is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is for 1. We need for 27. So it will be 27 multiplied by 4 upon 3 pi r cube, which gives to 36 pi r cube. Now new solid iron sphere radius is r dash. So volume of new sphere will be 4 upon 3 pi r dash cube is equal to 36 pi r cube. On solving this, we get at the last r dash is equal to 3r. What does it mean? It means the radius of new sphere will be 3 times or thrice the radius of the original sphere. Now we need to find out the ratio of the surface area. The formula for surface area is 4 pi r square, and accordingly if we use r dash, this surface area will become 4 pi r will be taken as 3r, because in the previous r dash is equal to 3r, so we will be substituting 3r. So when we solve this, 4 pi r square upon 4 pi into 3r the whole square, we get answer as 1 upon 9. So ratio of these spheres S and S dash is 1:9. Question number 10. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. How much medicine in mm cube is needed to fill this capsule? Now we are given the diameter 3.5 mm. We can find the radius by dividing it into 2. That will be 1.75 mm. Putting this into the formula of 4 upon 3 pi r cube, we get 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 1.75. When we solve this, we get 22.45833 mm cube. So we can write it as the required quantity of medicine is 22.46 mm cube approximately. With this we end with the exercise 13.8. Please do lots of practice, children, and learn the formulas. Don't get confused. Very soon I am going to come with the last exercise, that is 13.9. Till then, see you. Goodbye. Take care.